Now we are going to see Nature Mystery Series Part 1 Facts about Virus. Definitions of virus. Virus. Infectious agent of small size and simple composition that can multiply only in living cells of animals, plants, or bacteria. The name is from a Latin word meaning silmy liquid or poison. Walter Reed discovered the first human virus, yellow fever virus, in 1901. The smallest viruses are circoviruses, which are 20 nanometers in diameter. The viral genome is 1700 nucleotides in length and codes for 2 proteins. The biggest viruses are virus, which are 400 nanometers in diameter. The viral genome is 12 lakhs nucleotides in length and codes for over 900 proteins. Virus is bigger than Milky Way? Yes, there are millions of viruses in a single drop of water. Account for 10 power 31 total viruses on the earth. If calculated by the total number and the average size of virus, all of them will stretch 10 power 8 light years into space. It is 2 times more than the diameter of Milky Way. Viruses has life or not? Viruses are neither living nor dead entity. They are among the borderline of live and dead. They do not have their own food metabolism mechanism. They cannot produce energy by their own, but due to ability to replicate themselves viruses, but some scientists not consider as living thing, although they cannot reproduce outside the host cell. Virus life in various temperature. On average, virus live on 37 degrees Celsius for seconds, for minutes on 20 degrees Celsius, for hours on 10 degrees Celsius, for days on 0 degrees Celsius, and for years on temperature in minus. The hotter temperature of your body during viral infection help immune system to get rid of viruses. On the other hand, in cold weather, you have more chances to get flu. There are still many ancient viruses living in sub-freezing temperature of Antarctica. Viruses affect only humans? No. Viruses are not only the worst enemy of human. They can infect every living organism in the world. The virus nature of more rapid genetical diversion enables them to parasitize all groups of living organisms. The range of hosts not only limited to men but include animal, plants, insects, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, amoeba, their own relatives. Yes, there are viruses which infect other viruses. History of virus. The first written evidence of a viral infection is dated back to ancient Egypt, which shows a patient with typical clinical features of poliomyelitis. The first ever discovered virus is Dobogo mosaic virus, discovered by a Russian microbiologist Dmitry Ivanovsky in 1892. The first discovered virus causing disease in human is yellow fever virus, discovered by Walter Reed in 1901. Structure of virus was not been observed until the invention of electron microscope in 1931. Anne Ruzga and Max Knoll were the first who observed virus under electron microscope. Types of virus. On the basics of genetic material, viruses are classifying as either DNA or RNA viruses. Among these types, DNA viruses are stable and while replicating, they make good copies of their genetic material. This can be useful to make vaccine against them. On other hand, RNA viruses are less stable. Their genetic material changes quickly due to which it's hard to make vaccine against them or get vaccinated against the same viral infection repeatedly. Finally, good thing about virus. Despite all the harmful effects of virus, there is a useful medical use of viruses. They are being used in gene therapy as gene delivery system for the treatment of various inherited and acute diseases. Viruses are the enemy of our mankind enemies. Bacteria, fungi, protozoa. They're helping us by killing them as well. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, comment your feedback, subscribe to Nature Treasure Hunt channel and support. Share it with your friends.